What's up, guys? It's Lilac Rose 1990 and I'm here shooting another video outside my back fucking door, outside my damn backyard. I'm here because my face is snatched. I haven't blended the shit in. You can see my contouring. Yes, honey. I am here today to review the Norvina Beverly Hills Anastasia, whatever the fuck you want to call it, palettes. Woo! This is my first Anastasia or Anastasia, however you want to say it. I say it Anastasia because I've been here from RuPaul's Drag Race. Well, Anastasia palette. This is the Norvina palette, aka Claudia. Yeah, so this is my first Anastasia palette. See, I'm already getting confused, girl. And I also picked up these little matte lipsticks, so we're gonna have like a little Anastasia review. So, honey, roll that clip, baby.
We didn't do it for the fame or the glory, but we went down in history. Yeah, we were legends, loving you, baby. It was heaven.
All right, honey. And this is the Norvina palette. This is my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Ooh, and it has that very Velcro kind of fabric feel. All of them have that. I don't know why. I love it, but it does get dirty real quick, girl. And it says Norvina on it, Anastasia. And here's the back with all the ingredients. This has 18 milliliters of product. This is also cruelty free, yes, because we love our animal babies. And it has the Anastasia logo, which is pretty. All right, so as I move my camera around, let's take a look at the inside of this beauty. Ooh, it is so beautiful. As we know, it does come with this little plastic thingy, how all makeup things do come these days. It does have a mirror. As I open it up from the back, I turn around the palette and these are the beautiful, gorgeous shades. As we can see, it does come with a little brush. Every Anastasia palette comes with a brush, honey. And you do get a nice mirror, which you can take this little sticker off. Let's take that little sticker off, honey. And here's the beautiful shadows that we get. We got Dreamer, which is a beautiful, beautiful little wine color right here. We also got our second one is Summer, which is very, very pretty. We have Wild Child. We have Rose Gold. Ooh, I love that Rose Gold. We also have Celeste. It's a beautiful purple shimmer. We have the Dazzling, baby, the Dazzling. We have the Drama. Here's the Drama. We have the Base, and that is pretty much everybody's fucking base. We have Soul. We have Innocence. We have Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust, which I still need to do a review on that palette. Just give me a thumbs up if you guys want to do it. I just need one thumbs up. We have Violet. We have Eccentric, which I think is a weird fucking name. That don't look eccentric. When I think of eccentric, I think of a pretty green. I think of, you know, asshole brown. Yeah. Orange. Okay. Here we have Passion, which is a lovely color, and I am loving that Passion. Because why? Because Passion reminds me of the Kingdom Hearts theme song, the Japanese version. So as we look in this little stick, the little brush, we always get one of these little Anastasia brushes, and I think that's cute. You know, that's good that it comes with a brush, so you know you don't got no brushes, girl, you just can use theirs in the palette, and that's really nice. I wish a lot of palettes would come with brushes, but they don't because they think everybody got kinds of money. Alright, so girls, my first shadow that I'm gonna go in with base, and that is right here, that beautiful base color right there. And I'm gonna actually use their brush as a blending brush. And it does, ooh, I just tapped into it, girl, and I already made some fallout and dents. Barely tapped into it. I'm gonna blow in it. I'm gonna tap. Ooh, girl, this thing releases a lot of fallout, but we're gonna play with it today. So I'm using the Anastasia palette as my mirror, and I'm going to use this as my base. And I'm barely tapping into this mugger, and it's giving me a lot of fallout. But it's okay. It does glide on the eye perfect, like butter. Oh my god, it's very, very soft. And I'm gonna go in with that other eye with the Anastasia palette. I think it's gorgeous. It's got some gorgeous colors, yes, and I'm shooting in my fucking backyard because I still have not got my desk. I'm working on it. I need me a sugar daddy. Next, I'm gonna go in with that beautiful color Eccentric, and I'm gonna actually use this side, which is really, really nice for really getting that creases. So I'm gonna get in there, and ooh, it is very pigment, girl. So you just wanna go softly up in that mug. You wanna blend in there. You wanna get the top of your crease of your eye, like the top of your ass crack. You just wanna go in there, and I'm burly tapping in there. I love this palette. It's like giving me yes sex, and I'm loving it. It's going on like butter. And I want to go all the way to the other side of my eye. And actually I want to get a little bit more of that Eccentric, and I want to go in the corner of my eye. So don't forget, you guys, to comment, subscribe, also thumbs up my videos, put myself out there, share it to your friends, share it to everybody, and also hit that bell icon so you are notified every time I upload a video. That's including anime music videos. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna repeat. We're gonna take some more of that Eccentric. Look, I don't have no Kylie palette, bitches, so I just got one palette. I'm digging up in this mug right here, the Eccentric, tapping it. And I'm doing the same thing as I did to this one. What I like to do is I like to do little arches like the drag queens. I don't like to make no little circles. And then I just want to go up in there really lightly. And then you want to go darker in here with your crease. And I put this little tape here because I'm still a beginner bitch. So you want that nice, you know, effect with the Eccentric. And I use that as a base. This is really, really nice. For my first Anastasia palette, I really, really, really am enjoying this. So I want to go more in there. It's going on like cake mix, like butter. I love it. It's not hard, and I don't have to dig in there like some of these palettes that I have to do. Like, it's insane, girl. I want you to see everything that I'm doing, you guys. So I'm gonna go up in there. So I'm gonna put this brush down, and I'm gonna take one of my other brushes. I am going to take, where's my favorite, little Morphe brush. I don't have no code with Morphe, but maybe soon I will. You guys get me out there. So I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. It's just a regular Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Passion. I'm gonna go in with that Passion, because I love me a little passion. Girl, you can get you a little man with this palette. This thing is beautiful. And I'm gonna tap it up in there, and I'm gonna go on the bottom of my eye. Oh, I love the light out here because it's giving me everything. And I'm just gonna make some quick circles and then blend it up, bring it in a little bit more, and go to a little bit to the top. What you want to do, you want to give yourself that fantasy look, you know, bitch. It's okay to get a little hoish. Just get a little hoish. It's okay. Play with these colors. That's what you're buying for, bitches. You just don't want to be using no browns and no blues and no blacks. You know, you want to get fun up in there. That's why you buy a palette with colors. That's why these palette makers don't make a lot of palettes with colors, because hoes are afraid to use colors. They think they're gonna look a little hoish. Well, bitch, you act like a hoe. Shit, you might as well already dress like one. And it's giving me a little darker effect, but it's okay because I'm just blending it out. I'm gonna go in there. Now I want to also take some more of that Passion, and I'm gonna go in the inner of my eye. And I just want to drag it out. I want to get closer so you can get more in depth with there and more press. Don't be afraid. Makeup doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, remember. And makeup's not for a gender. Everybody wears it. Some of these men do it better than ladies. Hey, you guys, I'm sorry about that. There was an ambulance coming by, and those fucking things are loud. So I'm going to take more of that Passion from the Anastasia palette, the Norvina, and I'm going to go on the inner corner of the other eye. Get close to your brush. And you just want to swipe it up in there, make circular motions. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because, you know, makeup is not, you know, to judgmental. It's just, you know, it's something fun. It's art. Your face is a canvas. Have fun with it, girl. You don't have to be so serious and get up all in there, you know. It's nice to look pretty, you know. So I'm going to put that brush down and I'm going to go in with one of these shimmer colors. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put some concealer on my eye, because that will actually help it. So I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I know they have a bigger one, I just have not bought it because I still have this one. There's no point in me buying it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my wand and I'm gonna get my mirror and I'm gonna do it through the middle because I want kind of like that halo effect. It will really come out and bring out some of these glitters. And I'm gonna do the other side. And I always think like concealer is always too sticky sometimes, so I like to go in there with the concealer and I like to pat it down with the beauty blender. So I got my beauty blender. This one's a limited edition beauty blender, so if you want to get it, I would get it. So I'm gonna pat down there just very, very lightly, just because it's still wet and it's too tacky to me. And the same thing for the other side. And I'm gonna get one of my regular brushes, which is actually, I'm gonna try out this one. I'm gonna be old school, girl, and I'm gonna try out one of those little old school brushes that you use when you use your makeup. If I could find it. I have my brushes everywhere, honey. Sorry about that, honey. I was gonna go in with a different brush, but I cannot find it for the life of me. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush. I love Morphe brushes, and it's just a regular flathead. Which I like to do is I like to scrape up from the shadows because I always think you're losing too much product. So I'm gonna go in with Wild Child because I think it's just so pretty. I was gonna go in with Rose Gold, but you know what? I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold because it looks like it'll match this eye a little bit better. So I'm just gonna scrape up from that Rose Gold, as you can see, so you guys don't think that I'm using another palette. And go up in there, and I'm just going to press in there lightly. Ooh, and I don't even have to press hard. These things are coming out gorge. I'm liking this palette, girls. And this is my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I already love it. Okay, so we got that little nice effect. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. We're gonna get some Rose Gold, as you can see, some Rose Gold, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Yes, honey, yes. Make the magic work. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get that same brush that I had, that Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in and dip in some more Passion. And I'm actually, yes, Passion and a little bit of Soul. Mix it in with a little bit, tiny bit of Soul. And I'm actually gonna blend these out. There you go. You wanna make it blend in. You don't want no harsh lines, honey. And the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna take some Passion and a little bit of Soul. So next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my little tapies. Okay, honey, so next I'm going to grab this little pointer brush from Morphe. I love me my little Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in with Passion and just go in there. And I'm actually going to get my waterline, which I like to do is I like to grab down my waterline a little bit and just draw on there like you're putting on some eyeliner, like you're going to get fucked in your ass for the first time. How does Lusha say it? I'm a big old bottom. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing, repeat it on the other side. I'm loving this, as you guys can see. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with that Anastasia little brush that they give me, and I'm gonna use this side, but I'm gonna go in with Soul, so we can add a little bit of purple in there because we love these purples. I wish they gave us this purple. Where's this purple at, honey? Where's the vault? Like Rich Alexa and Luscious say. So I'm gonna barely tap in that bitch, and I'm just gonna tap it, and I'm gonna go under my line a little bit lighter. You barely want to tap in there, like you're barely sticking the tip in of a penis. And you want to connect. So you want to go in there with some more Soul. It's how it's going to perform on the eye. This can either break you or make you. You can either look so fashionable, or you can look like a total hoe. Either way, it's going to do its job. So we're going to go in with that same brush that I just had. I'm just going to blend away, mama. Blend away. Same thing for this side. I'm going to go take my Chanel brush, and I'm going with that Passion. And our eye look is complete. And that is my little step on my one-on-one on how to use the Anastasia palette on your eyes. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to blend, for God's sakes, and blend it all my makeup. So let's blend all the way. Okay, honey, I done blended in all my makeup. Next, we're going to test out these little Anastasia lipsticks, which we got here. We got Spice, and we're going to look down this little Spice. Ooh, it's a like little nicey nude. So let's see how nice that blends. Yes, girl. Yes, mama. I'm actually liking that one. Do you think that'll look good on there? Actually, let's try it on the lips. That Spice. Oh, I like it. I actually like this color. It's really, really nice. It looks nice with this look too. The next shade is Dead Roses. So let's try on Dead Roses. And that's Dead Roses. Ooh, I'm loving this. It is a nice, really, really like old school purplish, almost reddish. It kind of also goes with this look too, with the purple vibe. I like it. So yeah, that is Dead Roses. What is the next one? Soft Pink. So let's try on Soft Pink and let's see how that looks. Yes, girl, that is Soft Pink by Anastasia. How I feel about this color, I think it's a little whorish on me. Well, I did say if you look like a total whore, you might as well go out and have a little fun. I mean, if I'm going to my second job on Colfax, I might as well, hey, wear my little hoe lips. I'm not really a pink person on my lips unless it's like really dark. Not like a hot pink, but like almost, maybe like almost a lighter pink than this. Other than that, it also looks really nice with this look because it is like both. I have some pink in my eye from the rose gold, and I'm loving it right here on the lips, so it kind of does counteract with the makeup look. So that is a nice look. So let's get to the next one. It's just the very last one. Ooh, yes, honey, yes, yes. This shade right here is Kiss, and it is like a natural nude lip. I am loving it. It actually goes good with this outfit and makeup. I'm loving it right now. It looks really, really nice. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. And I know I say a lot, but that's just my thing. That's just like me saying girl or whatever. So I'm gonna stick with this Anastasia lipstick. This is Kiss, and these you can pick up at Sephora for about $24 plus tax. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette is out, so you can pick yourself up. I will leave a link in the link in the description below at the bottom of the description. You guys can order it on Sephora like I did. I ordered mine off of Sephora, or you can get it off the Anastasia Beverly Hills website, either one. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's where I post everything about me. I'm not gonna put any eyelashes on or some eyeliner because I'm still getting ready throughout the day, so I might change my lipstick up. I have no idea. I'm gonna do my hair. Also like this, subscribe, comment, and Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.